everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I treated my hair after carrying this protective style for a whole month. So I took down this style and my hair is pretty dry at this point, so I'm just going to show you the steps I took to put back moisture. So first of all, I used my oil mix as a pre-poo. So this mix has a blend of amla powder, fenugreek, rosemary, and bringraj powder. So a pre-poo is just a perfect way to detangle your hair, reduce dryness, and add some moisture. Olive oil is my preferred choice because it's great on my hair, and it's also a penetrative oil that will penetrate into my cuticle layers to offer nourishment and also help to retain moisture. So I applied the oil on my hair from the ends to the roots, and I also give myself a mini massage. It's always good to massage your scalp. This will help with blood circulation in your scalp. So the best way to prepare your hair is to always apply your oils on dry hair. The aim of a pre-poo, one of the aims is to protect your hair strands from the stripping effect of the shampoo. So this is just like a process of protecting your hair before using shampoos that most of the time strip your hair of all the moisture. So this is like adding a protective layer to it. And it's also good to choose a penetrating oil rather, because this will not only protect your hair strands, but it will also penetrate into the cuticles and give you that extra nourishment that you need. And so I am doing this, applying the oils on the strands of my hair and also the roots, and applying it from ends to roots. But I'm also not forgetting to give my scalp a really good massage, like I said earlier. So I'm also going to add some heat, and I'm using just a nylon bag from the kitchen, and this will help to let the oils into your cuticles easily. And I had this on for a while. Actually, you can leave it for as short as 1 hour, or even if you don't have the time, 30 minutes, but I left mine for a few hours, and this is what it looked like afterwards. And here I hadn't washed my hair, but you could see that my hair is already looking a bit more manageable. So I went ahead to wash my hair, and this is what it looked like afterwards. Felt really soft, really manageable, and nourished. So for my next step, I'm using a deep treatment mask I got from Ruby Natural Hair Salon on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description. It's a treatment mask that has a mix of marshmallow roots, slippery elm, fenugreek, and hibiscus. So marshmallow root is known for its amazing sleep, which will help to detangle as well as soften your hair. It's high in protein and it promotes healthy growth and shine. Slippery elm has a ton of calcium, which keep your hair strong. Fenugreek seeds is like the OG of Ayurveda, and they are very helpful in improving scalp health and making your hair follicles stronger. And finally, hibiscus flowers, rich in nutrients that are also the building blocks of hair, and it's capable of stimulating hair growth. So I'm using this treatment mask, and it was a bit hard to detangle. Honestly, the mask didn't have as much sleep as I expected, but it's also, made a difference in my hair. I just had to let it sink in before detangling. And once again, like the Prepoo, I applied from from my ends to my roots, and I slowly detangled. So this is what it looked like after doing the entire head, and I went ahead to cover it with a bag for the extra heat, and I let it sit for 1 hour. So after washing my hair, I could feel the difference. Felt like my hair just, bounced back, came back to life. It was softer, more manageable, stronger, and not in a dry or brittle way. Like my hair came out of the mask feeling very, very moisturized. So yeah, this is actually what I wanted. And finally, I just put in a leave-in conditioner with my oil mix to, seal in the moisture and nourishment that I'd given the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can also make your Ayurvedic mask or treatment with a mix of different powders, whatever is good for your hair. And I put my hair in just tiny twists until I decide what to do with it. But that's it for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Once again, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.